All right, everybody, welcome back to another sweaty, sunny episode on how to make money online. All right, still in Thailand these last couple days. Kind of sad. Me and my business partner, we leave in 4 days to move on to Bali for a few months, and yeah, kind of sad. Just soaking up the last of the sun rays, and just wanted to make this video outside because it's nice to just not see YouTube videos on the computer screen sometimes. So I'm going to try and tell you exactly how I made $1,400. That's $1,400 US on Clickbank within 10 days. And that's with me not having an email list in this specific niche. In this video, I'm going to talk about the exact steps I did, and so hopefully it'll help you guys, even if you're new to online marketing, affiliate marketing, new to selling products on Clickbank. It could give you guys a great idea on this one little hack on how you could start making money right away on Clickbank, right? Okay, so sorry for moving this camera so much, but okay, so here's what I did. I got back on YouTube. I took a long break from YouTube, which was a big mistake, and I hadn't been present on YouTube, and so I got back on YouTube. I had about, I don't know, maybe 200 subscribers or something like that. And so I think the last, because I come from the e-com world, that's where I had my big breakthrough. That's where I was able to earn, 6 figures with my e-com stores and also my e-com coaching and consulting businesses, right? So I come from the e-com world, and I have tons of emails within e-com, but I was like, hey, you know what? I'm going to try to give this Clickbank thing a go and try to make money on Clickbank, because I'm like, I know I can. I'm an internet marketer. I have all the skills. But even if you don't, this video is going to help you to make your first sale, or to just, scale your affiliate marketing business. Either way. So here's what I did. I got back on YouTube. I started to go hard on making videos. I tried to go for every day in the make money online niche, because that is my niche. Make money online, helping people with wealth and all that kind of stuff. So what I did is a system, or not a system, what is it called? A process, let's just say, called launch jacking. And what that means is you look into the future, what products are up and coming on Clickbank or JVZoo, or just on people's companies' own affiliate platforms. So sometimes companies launch products, and they don't have their products on Clickbank. They host it on their own website or company. So what I did was I went to jvnotifypro.com, and I'll have that link right here. I went to that website because that is where you could look for products that are up and coming. Okay, so what I did was I found a product that was up and coming, and I was like, cool. It was about a month out from launch. So what I did was I did what you call launch jacking. So I selected a product that I knew would hit, and I knew it would hit because it had I think like around 1,000 unique visitors on the JV sales page. And when that happens, that's usually an amazing sign, because that means that people are already visiting the product website, and they're already making sales even in the pre-launch. So, and I looked at the people who were behind the making of this product, and they've been around for many, many years online. And I know that other big affiliates were promoting this product. So I was like, okay, I know this product is going to be big. There's a huge opportunity to make sales with it. So what I did was I created a series of videos all around this product. And I did keyword research, and I ranked them for all the keywords that I knew people would look for, like product, let's just say XYZ domination. Let's just say that's the name of this product. So XYZ domination review, XYZ domination scam, XYZ domination legit or not. How to make money with XYZ. And then I just kind of gave a full overview and demo, and I just kept making videos on it. So what I did was I positioned myself on YouTube, because it was fresh on YouTube and nobody had made YouTube videos on it yet. And there was even the top videos still had little views. So what I did was I positioned myself so that when the product launched and the big affiliates started to email their lists on how to do it, or I'm sorry, they emailed their list on the launch of this new product, what the first thing they do is they go to YouTube to search and make sure the product is legit. And then they find my reviews and my videos on the product, and then they trust me. And then that's how I made the sales during the launch week. So this 10 days of this launch, the 10 days of, I'm sorry, yeah, the launch period was 10 days where I made the 14 sales, which equated to $1,400. And actually it's more than that. I don't know the final number yet, but it was basically $100 for each sale that I got. And the rebills have not kicked in yet, so I don't know the true full amount. But that is how to position yourself in launch jacking. So what it is you look up a product up and coming that's going to be on, Clickbank or JVZoo. You go to that website, jvnotifypro.com, and you're like, okay, I see this product I like. They have a great affiliate program, great resources, good email swipes, good support for their affiliates. The makers of the product are big. The affiliates that are promoting the product are also legit. So those are key indicators when there's a new product up and coming that you want to promote. So that is how I made $1,400 on Clickbank without an email list. Just that simple trick. I hope it helps you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll be putting resources below to some other goodies that I have and everything. So just check out the resource section in the description. Oops. There's so many mosquitoes and bugs out here. As soon as the sun goes down, I start to get eaten alive. Anyways, but I'll have all kinds of resources in the description below. If you guys like this video at all, give it a like. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. I don't care. At least it's engagement, right? People are watching my video. So yeah, and of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash the subscribe button. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. It's Marissa Romero, and I will see you guys on the next video.